Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel in a new video. Today I'm up to the garage to finish off Lucy's greasing points to layer up for the Christmas period and New Year. Hopefully the sun's out today, it's a dry day, so hopefully if I can get this done in time. I'll also give her a quick polish because she looks a bit messy, and then I'll take her out for a quick run somewhere, so I'll video that as well. So let's crack on. Right guys, got my camera in place ready to do the trunnions. Hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit. Right, so the first one we're going to do is move off a bit. Hopefully that one. So you move it a bit more. That one there. Right, I don't know if that's gone on or not. See if we can get this on. Kaz, in your car?
A cheap little banger. It's 48,000 miles from now.
I can tell you the weak spots on that to look out for.
Getting the bonnet open is the first thing.
Yeah. They also leak from the back lights and the top one, but they had to do a kit on eBay for it. But they're bomb-proof, mate. I know with dealer up north, he's literally got a waiting list for like C1s, 107s, IGOs.
For what?
To buy them. They're literally...
Oh, they fly off the shelf.
Yeah, they're literally that much in demand. They're good little cars.
It's had a little knock on the front, and the bonnet's got a little dent in it, and we've got the bonnet and stuff like that. And I put the bonnet down, it won't open again.
For fuck's sake. Yeah, they're lovely little cars.
Yeah. That bloke.
Yeah. I actually thought you come to buy the car, that's why I didn't...
No. So, he wants a restored car, but he wants to pay £5,000. Eric, go away. You know, so I said, I was driving around, he said, oh, I thought it'd be a bit more restored than this. I went, which bit of unrestored did you not see in the advert, Eric? Oh yeah, he said, but I wondered if you had like, Eric, this is an honest car.
Yeah.
It's not restored. It's not a basket case. It's somewhere in between.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. He said, well, that other one, he spent 16 grand. So I'm average.
I wouldn't let this go for £5,000. Not a chance. Ow. Ow, you fucker. Oh, pardon me. Top one done. Always wipe that off. Once you get grit on the grease, we don't want that. Right, so the bottom one is not done. Right, next is the steering box, steering rack even. Right, the trunnions are done. Now I'm about to do the steering rack. So to do the steering rack, what you do is you peel back the passenger side carpet, and on the foot plate up just underneath the dash, there's this hole, and there's the rubber bung just there. Prise it off with a screwdriver. In there you see a hole, in there you see a nipple. So I'm going to fill up my gun with EP90, and I got the gun from Frost's, so I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and buy it. I think the gun all towed and the oil come to about 40 something quid, but it's good quality. So I fill the gun up with EP oil. All I do is 10 squirts of the oil into the rack, and then I just turn it left and right while it's obviously up in the air, and then that's that job done. So I'll get the gun ready, and then I'll show you what to do. So that's the oil that I use from Frost Automotive. Leave a link for that. And this is the gun. Obviously that's the grease nipple. The yellow bit's just a cover, and obviously the oil goes in for this. I'm just going to do that now. Alright, so the gun's now filled, so let's go and oil the steering rack. Right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Right, 1, 2, 3. Hope you can see all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put it back on the gun. Then all we do is we find the rubber bung, and then pop that. Back on over the hole. He says, on. Actually, I might leave it off, make it easier for next time. I'll come back to it later. So yeah, that's all you have to do to do the steering rack. Lift the carpet back, find that hole, and then 10 pumps of EP90. And what I'm going to do in a minute is just turn the steering left and right just to lube the steering rack up. And I would suggest putting the car into reverse so the gear stick's not sticking in your armpit. So the bung was a bit awkward to get off, so I don't even know if that's ever been done, or if it hasn't. If it has been done, it hasn't been done for quite a few years. So I'm glad that little job's out of the way. So all that's left to do now is get it down off a axle stands, and tighten up the wheel nuts, put the wheel hubcaps back on even, and then get her outside, give her a bit of a polish, and then we'll go for a run. Right, I'll cut back to you when I'm ready.